All your money you spent will come back to you, multiplied. Better finances are coming. Type yes to affirm. When you are ready, it will happen. Remember, if it is meant to be, it will be. And when you are ready, it will happen. The universe has a funny way of blessing you. Whether it be with people, or things, or moments, or places, it knows. And it gives you everything you need. But only when you are ready. Now exhale. It will happen. When things line up, you're being prepared for it. Let things play out. Follow the signs and start being more consistent with your growth. Trust in what's happening. It's about to be a movie how things are going to play out for you. Type yes if you agree. This week is going to be the week of new beginnings. Your abundance season. Things that disturb your please will finally fall into place and make sense. Type yes if you believe. Tomorrow your crush will give you as much attention as you give this video. Karma is real. Promise.